Autoscan is another program that can be used to discover the connected clients to our network. It's not as quick as NetDiscover, but it has a graphical user interface, so it's very easy to use, and it shows more detailed information about the connected devices. It doesn't come installed with Kali Linux, so you have to download it from this URL. And once you download it, you'll have an archive. I'll show you what it looks like here. That's the archive. So you just need to extract it. So I have it extracted here on the desktop. And then we're gonna run this file, which is the installer. We can run it. I'm just gonna see the desktop because I'm at the desktop. So that's just opening the desktop directory, and I'm gonna install it using just by running that file that I just showed you. So it's autoscan network linux.sh, and it's a very simple installation. We're just gonna go next. We're gonna accept it. We're gonna go next, next, and it's gonna install it for us. And that's it, it's done. Now the program has started, so we're just going to go forward. It's going to ask me the name for this scan or for this profile, so we're just going to put any name. I'm just going to call it test. I'm going to go forward, and then it's asking me where is located the network, so we're just going to say localhost. That's forward. And then it's asking me which wireless card do I want to, or which card do I want to use to scan, so which network. Now I'm connected to two networks, one of them using a wired connection, which is this with this IP, and the other one using a wireless. So we're talking about the wireless one, the LAN 0. So I'm going to click LAN 0, going to go forward. And that's it. I'm going to go forward. Now it's going to scan all the connected devices. So as you saw, it's very simple. We have a graphical user interface, and it's going to give us more information than what we got from NetDiscover. Put this to the full screen. As you can see, it was already able to determine that this device is a Linux device, and it has a 2.4 to 2.6 kernel. I can see the MAC address here, and didn't know which network card is, but like that's more than what we got from NetDiscover anyway. So as you can see, when I click on this device, I can see that it has port number 22 open, and that's a SSH port. So I can try and log into this port and see if it has an anonymous login, and if that, then I can log in straight away and have access to that computer. We can go back to our router, and you can see here we have HTTP open. That's the router configuration page. So again, it was able to discover the ports that's open in that specific client. And that's pretty much it. So more information than what we got from NetDiscover, graphical user interface, so it's easier to use, and a bit slower than NetDiscover.